Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. You had the equity markets. The S&P went down almost to our major three-star support, right at 2780 to 2775. You want to watch that level. It's going to be a key battleground. The day is really just getting going, but right now what we are seeing is a move back above 2800. As I'm talking right now, I'm seeing a push through that number. There's going to be some resistance that's developed on the day from the overnight high. A couple levels come to line right around 2808, 2807. Just depends how long it takes to get up there, if it does get up there. So watch for that. But ultimately, too, we're looking at a longer-term pattern. You have a cup that came down, and now you're starting to build the back end of that cup and a potential handle today. And we like looking at this on a 60-minute chart, seeing how things develop here. Still, again, a lot of volatility today. FOMC minutes later today at 1 p.m. We had a poor read on building permits and housing starts, and then you had a big build on crude oil. So crude oil fell down sharply. It was falling down already this morning. Like somebody already knew that number. That dragged the equity markets with it upon that poor read. And then we also had the European markets start to wind down, and then we had a change of sentiment. We're seeing the markets move back up. Also weighing on things too, I want to add one more piece here, was the fact that President Trump did say he does not think China's ready to come to the table on trade talks. That weighed on sentiment too. So a number of things weighed on sentiment early. We're starting to see that kind of change and shift a little bit, but still the Nasdaq's down 1%. Remember, lastly on that though, Netflix really pushed the Nasdaq higher late in the session, so it's giving back some of those gains. Watch for what we see here today. Consolidation maybe, but if it does get out above 2830 in the S&P, this is very bullish. Watch for that. Now back with crude oil, $71. There was a bear flag that developed right through that area, and it fell down through 71, fell down through 70. Today's options expiration, a big open interest right at 70 on the calls and the put side. Watch for the market to hug that into the close. 69.50. You have the 50-day moving average closely aligning with that area. So again, you watch where this closes today, but if we could hold 69.50 and then we really kind of hold that $70 area into the settlement, that's going to be constructive from these lows, but it's not good on the daily. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything as it develops. FOMC minutes later today, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It's not suitable for all investors. Thank you.